This is part 13 of building a 3D modern portfolio with NextJS13, with TypeScript, with TailwindCSS, with Three.js for the 3D rendering, with a spline as well to build the 3D models, and so much more. This is part 13. Again, the goal here is pretty simple, is to build this project with you so you can learn with us and have fun at the same time. And then we're going to take this and fully do it from scratch yet again in a full-on video that's going to be a ton shorter. But of course, as always, you've got Daniel with us. What is up, Daniel?
What's up?
Awesome. And as always, here is our portfolio, 3D modern portfolio for developers. Looks pretty awesome. I love how it looks. We've got the mobile version right here. We've got the desktop version right here. Boom. We've got the skills that people can see, my work experience, the project, let's get in touch section. Everything is in there. And today we're gonna finish off this let's get in touch section and actually connect this with SendGrid, I believe. Yes, Daniel?
Yeah, that'd be awesome if we get to that. We finish creating the base form.
Yeah.
We can actually be able to set up the logic to send emails. It's looking good if we get that done.
Yeah, agreed. So right now what we've got so far is, let me go and open this up in another window so we can look at it. There it is. This is what we got so far. Again, not a perfect, there's a lot of stuff that we still have to fix, okay? But I'm pretty happy with the way it is. We've got the I'm interested in sections basically finished everything. Now we just need to finish up the other things.
Joey.
Daniel, you got some background noise, bro.
I know.
So now we need to finish up the other stuff, which is the form, which looks a little bit like this. Enter your name, enter your email, tell me about your project, hit that submit button, and then people will be able to submit, you send grid, and then you should be able to get the actual email with that.
Yeah.
So, hopefully, yeah?
Yeah, 100%.
All right, so let's do that, Daniel. So the first things first, let's go to our code here. We've got this context section, yes. Yesterday, we converted this into an actual, like, interest object, yeah, and now we need to actually put in a form. So we need to probably create a form, a container form, no? Container for a form, yes.
Yeah.
So let's go into div class name, and then how to say form container, yeah.
Yep.
Boom, div, boom. There we go. So that's gonna be our form container. And let's start with just creating our first, what is it called? Enters. This needs to be an input, Daniel, right?
What needs to be an input?
This whole thing.
So that's gonna be like the headliner, I guess. Like the subject.
This is gonna be the placeholder, I believe, Daniel. That's the placeholder. So like what we need to do is we need to create a few inputs right here, like this. Create an input box, and then and then modify the input box pretty much.
Yeah, because we have name, email, so we know what the email is gonna be. The tell me about your project, the description, like the actual email. Yeah. Your name's also a part of it. That's gonna be like hey, this is blah blah blah, then project, and then we also need a subject. Which do you think we could use? We could integrate the selection at the top as part of the subject, or what would we go for?
What do you mean by subject?
So subject is kind of like the quick little preview you can see on your email before you click it open. So there's like a little preview title that gets cut off if it's too long, but it shows like a snippet. I don't know if that's what we want to use that for, or if that's just going to be a part of the email. Just depends. What
do you mean by you mean like no, I don't think so. I think subject, I think subject is going to be like a default subject that we set in SendGrid, honestly.
Yeah.
Like a subject. Okay. And then here we just enter the name, the email, tell me about your project. And then that's pretty much it. When you hit submit, that's just should go directly to you, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Of course.
So that's kind of how I think we should do that. But yeah, let's do that. So we have input type text, yes. Placeholder.
Yeah.
Is equal to enter your name.
Yep.
Boom. And input is actually usually self closing, by the way, those of you who don't know.
Yep.
And so now if we look at that, damn, look at that sexy input, bro.
Damn. Can't get better than that, man.
I know. Let's create some margin top. So on this container, so we have the like margin top dash.
Yes. Of course.
Margin top dash 5. Boom.
Okay.
There we go. So now these form containers are pretty interesting right here, because kind of like containers inputs are just generally are pretty horrible.
Yes, they're so bad, but
pretty horribly looking. So what we gotta do is in this input, should we just create like a class name global CSS for the input?
Oh, you want to create like a class for it, is what you're saying?
Like a class name, or should we just do it using TailwindCSS?
I think we use Tailwind to kind of show like
so?
how you can
let's
customize it. But if you want to make it more recognizable, you could add a class name to it just so we know what's what.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. So we can do
class name. We could say
class name.
Call it like form field or something if you want to add like
form field. Sure.
Yeah,
there we go.
Something like.
And for TailwindCSS, so first thing, so it's remove. Okay, so first to make we can actually first change the width of this damn thing. That's number one.
Exactly. Yeah.
So you'll notice here the width is like, how big is this width?
Yeah. I mean,
it's pretty big.
It's about the same width as like the selections at the top.
Yeah, as the actual full thing right here. So it feels like to me, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's like, what is the width of this whole thing? Let me see.
Can't we just set like
width of 100% maybe?
Width 100%. Yeah, that's what I was.
Let me see. No, not really, because look.
It could be too. It's gonna fill up the whole.
Yeah.
Full width. Yeah.
So maybe it's like 50%.
Yeah, 50%. I can see that.
Yeah, I would say so.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
With I would say 50% with a minimum width. We can change that later always.
Of course, yeah. It's good to have a min width just so it doesn't get too
so
small.
let's just say this. Let's do width. Where's the percentage based?
Right there.
Why don't they do like width? Why do they have to do two width? Oh my goodness.
Width 1/2 does work, by the way.
Oh, it does. I'm like, that's so stupid. Why?
Because it's weird, right? I know 1/2 for sure works.
Yeah.
Because we've used that somewhere, unless it doesn't. But
oh,
there, I was
look
about
at
to
that.
say.
Let's set the height for this. I don't know exactly what the height is, but you can actually set the height by. Well, one, you can set the font size to be huge. That's number one.
That's gonna help. I believe. I don't know if you can. I forget what form fields. I don't know if you get that padding, but
you can actually. You can.
You can, right? Okay.
You can.
But
look at this. It's the same font size as I'm interested in. You see that? So this is the same one as what this one is. So we could just go to here directly.
Okay, I see it. It's a text 2XL right here.
Nice. You want to copy that and paste it in?
Let's do it then. Okay, so it's gonna go right in input field. Boom. Put that. Then save.
Nice.
There we go. There we go. It's a bit bigger.
It's a bit bigger now. Nice.
Yeah, it just needs a little bit more spacing.
Now you can create actually more padding. So you can actually do padding top. So let's see how that padding works like. So it's to the bottom, the padding is around 19 pixels. Yeah.
So we could just even add padding bottom. And then because it's going to be transparent, you don't have to really worry about what the padding looks like on the top.
You do. Kind of.
You think?
Yeah,
kind of.
Yeah, you still want to create padding on the top too. Actually,
yeah.
You want to do py, like
py.
For example, on here you want to do like py dash. Let's just say 5.
Huh? Not bad. Okay,
let's see. What you think?
Actually, not too bad.
I think it's a bit too big. A little bit.
I think it's a bit too big.
Yeah.
Go down 1 to 4. I think would be good. 4 or 3, but I think it's still too big.
Well, let's see. I don't know yet. So let's remove the background color, actually.
Yeah.
Let's remove that background color. So background transparent. Here. Background color.
Yeah. Oh, transparent right there. Nice.
EG transparent, baby, right there. EG transparent. Okay, let's refresh that shit. Ooh.
There we go.
Oh, dude, you know what this is? I don't know if we can do that actually. It's called outline. I don't know if we can actually.
Oh, you can. Outline, yeah.
Oh,
I know you can.
Outline
you can, if you want to remove it, or unless you want to change it, that just depends. Because I know it's
that outline, bro. That input is always so hideous, man.
Yeah, you have to do a lot of styling every time. Yeah, it's gone now.
Yes, look at that. Now we can do a border bottom. So now we check this out. Now we can do this border bottom.
Nice.
What is the color of this?
Let me see. Is it really white?
It's just a background color with an opacity, bro.
Oh, it's just a darker white.
Yeah, because look, see, it's actually just opacity completely. So it's RGBA. So we can do that. It's RGBA. So we can't actually do it because we have to do it. We have to do it in global CSS, right? We cannot do RGBA in Tailwind CSS.
No. Yeah. Think about it. If you want to add opacity, yeah, you can.
Yeah.
You have to do. You have to use regular CSS for that.
Oh, what happened to our thing?
What's wrong?
Hold on. That's weird. Did I move it?
Oh, VS Code? Or the code sandbox?
That's weird. It's like, look. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Move this up a little bit more. I don't know what happened there. That was weird. Yeah, I just look because I'm like trying to. There we go.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, there we go. That looks better. I'm not sure what happened there. That was weird.
Yeah, it is weird.
Yeah, you see now it's a lot bigger. You see that right now? Yeah, now it's a lot bigger.
Yeah. Yeah, it's more full than it was a little bit ago.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so yeah. So basically, I think it's. I don't believe you can do RGBA with.
No. For some reason, RGBA just does not work with it.
No, I mean it makes sense though. So what we could do is this form field, bro.
Yeah.
Global.css. Go to the bottom.
Nice. The class coming in clutch.
Dude, this music is pretty good actually.
I know. I'm really liking this.
Right? Let me like this. So actually, we can have it for later. Don't forget about this one. Yeah, it's a pretty good song.
Nice.
Cool thing is these are all copyright free.
Which is beautiful.
Yes.
No demonetization.
Yes. Form field, form dash field, and then what we do is we do border.
Yeah. Okay. Border dash.
Actually, we do border bottom.
Yeah. Right. Border dash.
Yeah.
Bottom.
1 pixel solid. RGBA. And then you go. I think white is 255. No, or is it 0?
Yeah. It's 255. 0 is black.
Let's see. Do you see it? It's loading still.
Yeah, it's loading for me too. It should add a border though, because I know you can add borders too.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
I'll close it out. Let's refresh.
Dude, this music is good. What the hell is this?
Nice.
No?
I love it. No, it's good.
I'm like surprised.
I was humming it while you're figuring out figuring out your screen issue.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the.
Yeah. Okay. Code Sandbox is a little slow right now. Code Sandbox.
Don't screw with us, Code Sandbox. Yeah, it's like not loading. Look.
Yeah, it's stuck on load for me too.
Let me try again. Maybe if we remove the form field, maybe something didn't like the form field thing.
It's just having issues saving to this.
Let's see. Oh, what the hell?
What the? Huh?
Someone's like, where'd you find these songs? Honestly, Epidemic Sound, guys. They're not all good. Sometimes they suck. Sometimes they're good. Sometimes they're bad. You know? I don't know why.
File for gateway timeout.
Come on! What's going on?
Code Sandbox servers are slow right now for us.
Restart. I'm gonna restart this server. Hold on.
I'll do it.
Oh my goodness, what's going on? In the meantime, guys, I don't know what's new. It says RAM usage 82%. Look at that.
That's insane.
It feels like we hit the top line there, you know? So
yeah.
So a few things I'm excited about. I mean, look, in the meantime, while I was doing it, let's just create a SandGrid account, bro.
Oh, let's do it. Yeah.
Yeah, let's make a SandGrid account. So let's do this. So let's go open up a SandGrid.
Let's do it. It's super simple too.
Yeah. Oh, remember this one?
Yes, dude.
This is the OG. Oh yeah, dude, this is the OG one, man. This is the OG
oh yeah,
song.
I recognize this one. Immediately it gets played.
Yeah. So, let's create a. You can actually start for free like this. Just go from here.
Yeah. You get free API key.
Create an email, and so forth. Create a password and all that. I believe I already have an actual account, so let me actually take this off of line and let me log in right here so people don't see it. SandGrid. I'm gonna log in here for a second. Okay. So all you guys gotta do is when you log in. So I'm gonna sign in with my account here. Let's see here. Boom. So, oh, it says two-factor authentication. Oh my goodness, I don't believe.
You don't have 2FA set up. I know I have 2FA set up on mine.
Okay, no, actually, no, I get it. 217-5868. Hold on. 217-5868.
Okay.
There you go.
Damn. Kill Soundbox. Okay.
So there you go.
See.
Oh, look at that. It says my account is under review. That's great.
I believe I actually use SandGrid from my portfolio too. I think I actually use SandGrid.
So anyways,
SandGrid's pretty good.
So there is SandGrid right here, guys. And we're gonna use the email API section right here. Dynamic templates, of course. You've got a lot of stuff you can actually, play around with. It's just ticket history. Something's going on with my ticket for some reason. Looks like.
Like, if you want to send really heavy HTML based emails, you can set up using a template. Yeah. But I think they just have a basic API, so if you just want to send a very basic, just straightforward email, you can.
Let me sign out, bro, and let me just create a new account.
Okay, for sure.
So people can see it. Basically, log in again. Log in. Sign up now. You can just use free, guys. Start for free. Oh, another good song.
Nice.
Dude,
another fire today.
Dude, I know what's going on today, but this is good. So I'm gonna put in my email here. Boom. Oh, hold on. Password.
Boom, 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 boom.
Put in a password, of course. For some reason, one password has been sticking, not doing a good job. Let's do a new item here. Save. All right. There we go. There it is. Nice. Create account. Oh my goodness.
Oh, shoot.
All right. Tell us about your company. So you can just say whatever you want. Honestly, here, just say you're a developer, for example. How many emails you're gonna send? 0 to 100,000. How many employees work at your company? You can say like 1 through. Sangrid. Stop. Wait, 1 through 500, for example. And then company name. You could just say talk about any company name, guys. That doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna say here Nazari. Because I have some personal information in there, so I'm not gonna show it to you guys here. Put in your name, put in your last name. Company name, NASA Web from me. NASAweb.com. If you have a company website, just put in your portfolio. You can even just put in your LinkedIn, honestly. Oh, see something that says 2-factor authentication. So it says it sent you an email, so you want to check that email. Basically, let's see here, Gmail. All right, there we go. There we go. It says welcome back. I'm not a robot. Get started. Boom. Just say text message. Right here. Next. Sure. This is for 2-factor authentication, so you might have to set that up. Boom. It sent something to me just now. 204-1781. 1781. Dude, another good song, by the way.
Nice.
Dude, these songs are just great. And then we're gonna do my email here. Log in. Oh my goodness. Just like 6604788. Boom. There we go. So at least we're not under review anymore. so that's good. So anyway, so now you just go to settings here. And now all you do is we need to go to API keys. Before sending you email, you need to create a sender identity. So create a sender identity. Interesting. So create identity. So I think that I believe this is like where you set up like what your name is, from email, your company address, that kind of stuff. Oh wow, this is actually pretty hefty. Hopefully people can actually do this. I'm curious if there's a simpler way of doing that, honestly, because SendGrid requires a lot of different things, huh?
Yeah, SendGrid's pretty heavy. Like you need to verify if the email that's sending.
See.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is there another one for sending emails?
You could. There's an NPM of, I forget how it works, but it's called Node Mailer. But it's another way of sending emails programmatically.
What is this nihilist thing? I don't know what the hell that is. This Mailgun?
Mailgun, I've heard of them, but I don't know.
That looks interesting, actually. Look. PowerSend is like you to build with the most powerful and reliable email service provider in the industry. And then it works with PHP, Java, Node.js. Oh, I mean, it's not too bad, I guess. But even this requires, I believe this, even this, I don't know, does this, I believe this requires a backend. How have we not figured out an easy solution for sending out emails, bro? This is insane. No?
Here. There's a NPM called Node Mailer, which is, I know is pretty popular. It's a module for Node.js applications to allow easy as cake email sending. which I've used it, and it's actually it's a pretty good one.
But is it gonna allow React?
Oh yeah. It's an npm, and it's just JavaScript.
Let's see.
If anything, 2.7 million weekly downloads.
Oh, it says sending emails is using mail.
Mail too. Well, that's gonna pop up in whatever their default email client is in.
Yeah.
And you know the whole process with that. But if you don't want that to pop up, you just want to send it straight just from the website without having that pop up.
Yeah, it's like I don't want that pop up. You know what I mean?
Here, Node Mailer is good.
It's gonna work in React.
It's a self-hosted email gateway. Yeah, it uses JavaScript. It's just JavaScript.
Dude, what
like
is this? Look,
NPM.
React email.
I've never heard of this one, but that'd be cool if this.
And look at this.
Shit. Well, if this is JavaScript, but if this is React compatible, it'll simplify it a little bit more because it's already built for just.
Let's see
React.
examples. The hell is this?
What
is this? I don't want that.
That's about 33,000 weekly downloads. That's not bad.
Oh, that's what it's all used for? Are these all the people who are using this stuff? Is that what it's talking about?
I think it's just examples.
Let's see.
Unless these companies do use React email, which is pretty crazy. Do use email.
Let's see. It says so email. Visual cluster and editing files. What? That's a bit dumb.
You see, it has a Node Mailer integration, which is what we'd want to use.
So it does have a Node Mailer integration.
Yeah, look at the bottom. Node Mailer. Node Mailer has about 3 million weekly downloads. It's a really popular and easy way of doing it without having a bunch of overhead of API keys.
What does this resend though? Looks interesting. Look.
Let's see.
Then there's Node Mailer. Then we have Mail Sender.
Oh wait, hold on. Okay, okay. So Node Mailer makes it easier, but you need, depending on the SMTP server you use to send the emails through. Yeah. You'll need authentication. So what's cool is you don't have to verify a sender. You just need to create an API key in SendGrid.
With Node Mailer.
Because actually Node Mailer really doesn't have an SMTP. They just kind of provide the logic to be able to integrate other SMTPs into it. So like we could get like a API key from SendGrid and just use your username, and the password would be the API key. So you could send with SendGrid using Node Mailer. Yeah,
but there's the API key for SendGrid right here.
Yeah.
We also have this thing called Postmark.
Postmark, I've heard. Because with SendGrid, I saw you were trying to verify emails. I don't think you need to verify unless you're the one sending the emails.
Let's see. There's this one called Mailer Send. Looks interesting. Mailer Send. That seems like a pretty simple email service. Oh, and they also support Ukraine, bro. Let's go.
Nice. Use this one then.
Send 3,000 emails a month for free.
3,000. That's plenty.
Fuck SendGrid. Uptime email support. Okay, let's try these guys. Shall we try?
Let's do it.
These guys seem like pretty simple. Like, what is it? Yeah.
Well, this is cool. React email. I've never seen this before. Mailer Send.
And then you can actually render. Look, you can actually render an email component. Look.
Nice. Yeah, you basically create the HTML that you want rendered in your email,
Yeah.
and converts it, and you can send it.
Let's see. Oh, source. Nice. Boom.
So you can pass in any data we want, and then just convert it, and boom, it's gone.
All right, let's see. Sign up. Let's see. Is it gonna ask me for a bunch of shit? I hope it doesn't. Oh, it's got Google authentication. Oh, something this Sanka does not even have.
Yeah, they don't have a lot of good
integration. Let's just do that, bro. So I do not want Google. I do not want to put up. Okay, account name. So it looks like it took me to this account. So I just said sign up. It took me to this part. So I'm just gonna put in the account name. So new account name be like Nas. Boom. Accept all cookies. Then sign up. Mail allows you to send transaction emails and SMS to your customer directly from your app. Blah 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 blah. I don't need that. Increase deliverability with email verification. Don't need that. Create conversations. Don't need that either. Skip introduction.
Yep.
Please review and accept our policy. Start. Oh my god, I gotta do all this stuff. I agree. Add a sending domain. Start. Oh no, really?
No, but we don't need to add a sending domain because we're not the ones sending the email. It's the people sending the emails to us.
No, but like because you're the third party sending the email, you have to have like your own email. Get it?
Oh, cause are we sending it like they send it through us, but we have to have a verified email?
Yeah, so that's kind of how that works. While
I see it now. Yeah, I forgot about that. I haven't messed with this stuff in a long time. Oh man, yeah.
Yeah, sending emails is not as simple as you say, huh?
No, not at all. You just have to update, like if you're gonna use a custom domain or something, which is probably the best case. You have to update like the DNS records and shit.
I don't really want a custom domain, bro.
Can we use Gmail?
Okay, so let's go back to NoMailer. Okay, hold on. So
okay. The problem I realized looking back into this with NoMailer is just the transport service. You need to use a valid SMTP. So like mail sender or SendGrid or whatever the other ones were. You have to have one of those set up regardless. Even because NodeMailer just makes it easier to send these emails. It doesn't actually do the
look
sending.
at this. Look at that. Check out email engine.
Okay.
Oh, this looks simple. Effortless email integration for your app or service. Simple. Oh, really? Self-hosted. Oh,
so it's self-hosted. How does it work?
Okay, let's do this. Ah, bro, come on. Wait, I don't need that. Do I need that or no?
What?
Can I just do like free?
Is that the only option they have?
Dun, dun. They make this shit too difficult. Let's see, simplest email sending service to add to your website. I do not want to do Amazon AWS for this. It says transactional email services. What about non-transactional email service? They also have this one, SMTP. That one costs money. I mean, I could potentially continue to use SendGrid, but it's like it's asking you like for all this kind of stuff, like single verification, your, you know, your name, your email address, that kind of stuff.
Yeah,
country
just,
code.
it's because of all the spam and shit that can happen with bad emails and stuff. It's just for verification.
Should we continue? Should we try it still?
If you do want to be able to set up the contact form without using like mail.to, then yeah, you have to do this.
Can you send emails without SMTP TP server?
It's because SMTP is a simple mail transfer protocol, which is like core to like sending emails. If we remove SMTP, we'd probably just be making it harder on ourselves.
You see, connect email sending to website. React.js. Let's see. Says no backend required. What is he using? Let's see. For no backend required.
Mail.to.
Hello guys,
but if he's
user in app.js for us to see.
What are they using?
And this button is going to have a
okay,
you know, not bad. We said function ask me how I want to add a service, so send the email. Okay, so I'll bring up this browser here, and this is the website. So you need to create
email.js. What the hell is this? Connect your email service. Choose from wide variety of email services. We support both transactional and email services. So like SendGrid, including personal emails like Gmail even. Dude, that's where the money is at, right here.
Yeah.
And what is the pricing?
Nice.
Look at that. 0 per month. Yes.
create an this ID.
You sign up, and then this is what you're supposed to get. You're supposed to get like your.
Now we're going to use a service. That service is called email.js to send the email. Okay, so I'll bring up this browser here.
Dude, let's try this, huh?
Yeah, do it.
Okay, sign up free. Your name. It keeps popping up the fucking ad. I'm like, give away my password, huh?
Oh. Nice.
Let's see. Come on. Come on, my password. Sign up. Alright, there it is. Okay. Let's see now. Boom. Sign in. Okay, resend email. Okay, let me go ahead and open up my email and then confirm the email now.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Fucking. One Password needs to really check their stuff. Verify email. So I just verified my email. I just go to sign in now. Sign in. There we go. So I just verified my email already. Let me just go to here. There you go. Okay.
Nice.
This is add new service. Look at that. Gmail. Boom.
Beautiful.
Service ID. Blah, blah,
There's
blah.
something, I think you gave them your Gmail settings, if I'm not mistaken.
Allow send email on your behalf permission during connection. Both the Gmail are supported. Okay, so how do I do this? Connect account. Oh, and I just select my thing. Oh wow, dude, that's amazing. Send email on your behalf. So you have to select this one. Hit continue. Dude, look at that. And then create service. Oh, that's so much simpler, bro. That's what I was looking for the whole time. Man, these guys suck, man.
Nice.
Look at that. And then now we just sent a test email. Let's try it. Let's see. Did it do it? Oh, it did. Look. I just received a test email from Nazari195 to me.
Popped up in inbox, not spam either, which is nice. You don't want it in spam.
Yes. Finally. Okay, let's look. Our song stopped for some reason. Hold on.
Beautiful.
Okay. Let's continue more. Okay, so we got that. Now what do we do? Go to docs.
Yeah, go to docs. I think they had a React section.
They do?
Yeah, there should be React. I saw them mention React somewhere on the website. I swear. I saw it.
Oh, there it is. Right here.
Oh, nice. Look, yeah. Look, there is a React section. Here, I'll send you the example they have with React.
Oh, so bro, you're the man right here. Right here, bro. I got you.
That's the exact one. Perfect.
So we need to do npm install this one right here.
Email.js/browser.
Yup. Okay.
Oh, you put the service ID. So that service ID we saw a little bit ago.
Yeah,
right there.
Dude, yes. And then you have to select your template.
Template ID, which we can easily define right now.
Then you can do like even a form. And then
your public key. Which is beautiful that it's public. You don't have to worry about hiding it.
It's so much simpler than before, bro. What the hell is wrong with these people, man?
Oh, this is easy right here.
Right?
And you just set a reference on the form and it grabs all the information.
Yes. Nice. I am liking this.
Okay.
Email.js, so we do npm install, and I believe from there it's like this. It's like this basically. So we go to here. I actually think do we do it this way inside Code Sandbox?
Yes. You have to open up the terminal.
Let's see.
So if you go, do you see the plus icon on the right?
Let's see. Hold on.
Okay. But yeah, you click that plus icon.
Hold on, because Code Sandbox is still having a trouble.
It's having a fit. New terminal.
It's like, nope, I don't like this.
Click the plus again, new terminal, and that's gonna let you type code. Should at least. Yeah. And then you should see it pop up in the
npm install
package JSON.
There we go. Let's check it out now.
Package JSON, you should see it. It's at the top. There you go. You're good.
There you go.
Cool.
Awesome. Next thing, I wanna actually. What are all these dev thingies for? Like, look at this, man. This is so nice.
I know there's so much tooling. So those are all the different ports that are open. You could go to any one of them, and it'll render the site at that port, just like in localhost. And then yeah, there's so much going on. You just set up a terminal. I don't even know what they mean.
There's just so many. There's so many ports, bro.
Yeah, they're like that by default because I didn't set any of those up. I think they do that by default for some reason. They got the tasks you could run, the npm tasks you could run. If you don't want to type them, it's crazy.
Something just happened to this.
Let's see.
It's not even loading our app.
It seems like Code Sandbox is having some issues right now.
Okay, let's try. Let's see. Let me try to remove some stuff, and then maybe that was the issue potentially.
Yeah.
Contact.
Like.
No, we did nothing wrong.
Yeah, I know. The task was killed. Do you want to restart it? Let's close that. Maybe we have to restart the dev port.
Port 3000. Yes, it's dev logs. Something's going on with it. Look. Package not exported. Server that edge is not defined. Oh, it has something to do with the DOM. Oh my goodness.
It's just broken. It's not our code.
Let's see now.
Port, it's using 3 3081, whatever. Or 3301, but
yeah. Okay, while I was doing that, let's go ahead and do the other stuff here. So
we can set up the base template.
Yeah, so let's do that here.
Okay, so 301 I think is working. Okay, yeah, there you go. 301's working.
It's working finally?
Yeah.
Finally. Let's take
301 loaded for me, but yeah, we should be okay.
Let's take this. Don't need this anymore. Plug it into here. Boom. Okay, so now we have the email.js stuff. We do the email.js browser. We need to import that. Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah, this is working finally. So then we import that in the top. There we go. Next up, send form. So we get the send email function. We can set that up in a second here.
We just need to set a reference. Oh, so we have to use a form input, form field. Not form field, but a form container.
So it says service ID, template ID of the email. It could be HTML form element or this could be HTML or formal or a query selector. What is that supposed to mean?
So if you go back to the example, you'll see a useref, which is referring to the form that it's connected to. Or you can use a query selector, which is basic vanilla JavaScript, but we're using React, so a reference is better than a query selector.
What about plain text? Our service sends emails as multi-part related. This means that emails contain HTML and plain text. Okay, cool. So do that send for. There's also just a dot send as well. I actually like the dot send option more than the dot set form. I don't think we should put it into a form directly. You know what I mean? Template ID and then template parameters of the template. So what we can do is create a template here. So actually, I like this one more. Daniel, you hear me? So what we can do is we can create a template here. So if we go to email.js, dude, this is awesome. How come email.js never showed up on our fucking radar?
Right.
Sign in back in. Okay, so email templates. Create new template. How do we say this? New lead. Subject is like, this is a template that's going to be sent to me as the person. You know what I mean?
Exactly. You're going to receive it. So you choose what you want to see.
New opportunity. Should we call it like this? From.
So the double bracket is like a placeholder for a variable.
Yeah.
So
and then, so it would be like, right here.
I think the way you're doing it is better too, because we don't have to use form on submit. We could just grab the use state values and throw it into the param section.
Yeah, exactly. So that's how you want to do that. So, and then inside here, this would be from. This would be the user. This would be the username. Let's just say this would be the the name.
So the first field we created, that's what that field's gonna be.
So if you name, then we're gonna have the actual message.
The to name, I don't think we need to name. I think you see it where it says hello to name.
Yeah, don't need that.
You could put just your name.
Yeah, I would say just put the message in. That's it.
Yeah, literally. Yeah, we don't need best switches, and then perfect. So simple. Holy shit.
What is the settings?
Okay, so this is where you'll find template ID.
Portfolio template.
Yeah, portfolio templates. And then the template ID, which is exactly what you need.
Okay.
For later.
You can even do auto reply. That's pretty cool.
Nice. I think this is perfect.
What is this to email?
That's the email that you selected for the emails to be sent to, right? Like the Gmail account that you selected.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that won't pop up like for them or anything. It's just showing for you for reference, so you know where it's going when people send emails.
It says from name. Why does it say from name Nazar Domansky?
Okay, so these things shouldn't show in the Oh wait, from name. Oh, that's an example. I think that's an example name.
You think so?
Say if you switch it, you should, and then you do a test, you'll probably see a different name.
Let's see, test it. Okay, so there's use Gmail service. So here, name. So. Let's just say it'd be Daniel. You're sending this to me.
Yeah.
Message. Yeah. Blah 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 blah. Reply to Daniel at nazo.com.
Yeah. I reply to. I don't think it's like too important, but we could have it there for now.
Send test email.
Yeah, send it, and then it should send to your Gmail.
Let's see now. I did. So here's how it looks like.
What does it look like? Yeah, that's exactly
to me. New opportunity from Daniel, and then the message.
Nice.
So what we can do. So a few things to change here that I don't like. What the hell? Where's my thing? Oh, there it is. So a few things. So this message does not need to be inside here.
Yeah.
Just like that, I think.
That way. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, and then I believe, bro.
Wait, does that form?
We can just do, bro. I believe we could just do this.
Yeah, you can do it that way. Wait, was that popping up in the email?
Huh?
Like, was it showing your name in the email?
Yeah, it was showing my name because this is the factual form name. Yeah.
Really? Oh,
yeah. Because think about it, we're sending it from me. Like you're the person basically who's doing it.
Oh, so that's the field a person would fill.
Yeah, and then you can test it now. So now we do it now. So I say again, Daniel. So we test 2. Oh, don't forget. This is the opportunity type.
What do you mean? What do you
remember? If they select I'm interested in, right? So you have to put that inside here too.
Oh, right.
Yeah, reply to.
So we would add that as another variable on top of message.
Exactly. Oh, actually, I have an idea, bro. Here's what we can do here. So, let me see here. Let's see. There we go. New Daniel right there. Daniel Nazari Demansky. A new opportunity from Daniel. Okay, here's what we can do, bro. I think what we can do is, and then let's see. Oh yeah, reply to. You see. Reply to danielnazo.com. So that's the reply to email.
Oh, so you could set that by default. What email?
Yeah. So what we can do is check this out. So what we can do here is we say here name interested in and then you say interest.
Nice. I knew the interest would fit in somewhere in the subject.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And then you can say from let me see something going on. Sorry.
Oh, no worries. You're good. You're good.
There we go. You can say from, and then you say name.
Yeah.
And then you can say email. And then email. Yeah. We don't need the name. You just send the email so that that person knows. Email, and then that will be like the reply to, no?
Yeah, reply to.
_2, yeah?
Uh-huh.
There we go. So now we can say that.
Yeah.
Test it. Name. There we go. Daniel.
Yeah, reply interest. Is there email we would reply to, essentially?
So reply to is like danielnazo.com.
So like the person sending the email.
Exactly.
That's their email to respond to. Got it. Okay.
And then you say, yo. This exactly tells you how to do it, bro. Look.
That's beautiful.
Email.js.send.
Just copy that. Just copy that. That's all we need.
Just copy this whole thing. Send test email. Dude, this is so much easier than SendGrid. Fuck SendGrid.
Oh, it shows the result 200. Okay, that's cool. It shows the status result.
And then let's see now. See, look. Daniel, interesting. I mean, it's weird, the UI UX thing. Cause
it's because the characters.
Yeah, UI UX. But still.
You have to escape them.
Damn, bro. That's awesome, no?
Yeah, dude, this is a lot of good progress here. How would we escape? Would we just use character codes? Or would I forget. But
I don't know.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's pretty cool. So I like that, bro.
Nice.
So what we can do now is we can have a send email situation.
Yep.
So inside here, we create a function inside this thing. We create a function called const. Right here it says const send email.
Yep.
Const send email is equal to boom, right? And then what we say is we boom put this in. Is it gonna format this properly for us or no? No, does not do any for us. Doesn't do shit.
No, it doesn't.
So we need to set the form data here, bro.
Yeah. So we could just set one piece of state that's an object with for different for each different field form data. Yeah. Beautiful. Integrate NLP.
Form data like this, no?
Yeah,
use
I think
state.
that's good.
And then should we just be null for now, or should we have an actual object?
I think an actual object with the name of each field just set to empty strings.
So okay, so we have what? Name? Yeah?
Yeah. Name, which will just be like an empty string.
Then we have email.
Basically just follow the same flow that you have in the email.js.send, and then we just throw that into the send email. Yep. Yeah.
And then we say interest.
Yeah.
Well, interest is actually whatever is active.
Yeah, so you just put active.
Is that impossible? Maybe. Interest, and then...
Oh, no, I think it's possible.
Message.
Okay, so the email property, would we just keep the email, or would we change it to reply_to? Because
no,
I know that
it doesn't have to be, I think.
Oh, we just okay, yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Forget about that, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So then what we can do, bro, is we can go like this. So we have our input name. I might not be a bad idea to fully put into a form, but that's, yeah, I mean, it's okay.
It's good because I think it's cool that we can send emails without having to use forms, because forms you have to use on submit, and that refreshes the page. And
yeah, so not the cleanest, I guess. Okay, so now...
But this is great, yeah.
So let's go back to our global.css again. Hopefully it doesn't break again, bro.
For real, man. Come on. It's just an underline. It's just an underline.
Form dash field.
I know you can do it.
Border dash bottom. What is it? 1 pixel.
Pixels solid. I think is just
RGB.
White and an opacity of 0.2. That's what you said.
0.2.
Boom. There we go.
Please work. Oh shit! Timed out.
Oh, there we go. It worked. It looks good.
Yeah. Which one are you looking at? 3000 or which port are you looking at?
3001. 3001.
Ah, so this one. Oh, so it's not broken. Yay.
It's just port 3000 is having some weird issues.
Okay, let's
go
see.
down. It looks
good. Damn. Nas is doing a great job.
Yes.
Wow, look at that, bro. I'm proud of myself.
As you should. As you should.
You want to finish it off? I feel like I've been coding the whole time.
Oh, you're good. You're good. It's been nice kind of watching and learning when you do these things. But yeah.
Yeah, you can do the rest of the if you want.
So it's, what are the other fields? Let me go to the Figma. So it's email and then tell me about your project.
Yeah.
It's just, all we have to do is copy paste literally this input field.
Exactly.
And then we're good to go. So what I'll do is I'll grab it. And then of course, just change the placeholders. So there we go. Do that. And then it's enter your email. So I just changed this one to email. And the last one is tell me about your project. So I just changed the placeholder to say, tell me about your project. Okay, boom, saved.
Nice.
I don't know why is
your
it not
name?
indenting though.
Huh?
It's not indenting, unfortunately.
It's like not doing automatically. Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So it looks fine. But
yeah. So we need to do a display flex on that shit, man.
Yeah, let's do flex then.
So flex on the container and then do column direction.
Yeah, then I think it's flex and then flex dash column.
You sure?
Yeah, it's flex dash col. Like that.
You're right, actually. Yeah. And don't forget to save it.
Yeah, saved. And then
let's see now.
There we go.
Nice. Enter your name, enter your email, tell me about your project. Beautiful, bro. And now
all we gotta do is add a small gap and then I think we're good.
Let's add a gap in between them.
Yeah,
because they have a gap in the between for sure.
Let's see. I'll test the waters. I'll start with gap of 4, which is gonna be about 20 pixels between each input.
Yeah. This gap right here, guys.
Okay, you can see what it looks like. Do you think that's more? Okay, let's go 6. Because 5 might still not be too much. Let's see. Okay, it's spaced out more. Do you think it needs more?
Actually I like that. I think that's good. I think
cool.
let's now create the submit button now.
Nice. The submit button looks cool too. So
I know. I love the submit button, bro.
Whoa, how does it? Okay, so I like the. So the border, is the border using a gradient?
Yes.
Okay.
So we need to do the same shit we did before.
Oh, do we have to use the before thing?
Yeah, remember what we did? The same thing is what we did with the other button. Remember the...
Which one? Which one?
The top one, the contact button. So you can actually just copy that contact button completely, bro.
Let's just copy it. Yeah.
Yeah, so take the contact button on the top, which you did for this one right here.
That's going to be in header.
You can apply the same logic to it pretty much.
Let's do it. So header, and then I assume that's where it's at. Then I think it's the CTA, header CTA. Yeah, I think. Get in touch. Actually, maybe not. Okay, so I know it says contact me, right?
Yeah, it's in the nav. Oh yeah, so it says, I believe... No, it says submit, bro. It just says submit.
Oh, no, I was talking about the button at the top in the header, just so I know where to find it, because I know that it has a style that
it's in the nav, yeah.
Okay, header nav. And then let's go to it. Okay, contact. Yep, let's grab it. Okay. Let's go back to contact, and I'm going to import it right now. Here at the bottom. Does it have anything we need? No, we're good. And then
nice.
All we need to do is change the background color, because I think it's more of a bluish than black.
Yeah, let's see now.
Nice. It just needs controlled.
Yeah. What you do in order to fix that, bro?
Flex.
You can no. You can what you want to do is you want to create a wrapper for that button and then set that to be flex.
Okay, so you have to set the wrapper
Yeah,
first.
so create a wrapper around this button right here. Because what's gonna happen? Flex directional column automatically stretches it, as much as possible. Either that, or you do align items just left, and then that also fixes it too.
That's because, like you said, flex forces items to only fit the space they need to take up. They don't take up the entire width by default.
Flex. There you go.
Which is actually really powerful because it helps manage width easier.
And then you make that button bigger, like that.
Yeah, we definitely need to make it bigger, but it is to its size.
And so you need to make that button much bigger for sure.
So first, we could add the submit text, and it also has an arrow icon. I think it's the one that we use for the resume button.
Yeah.
Or no, actually, no, it's different. Or for the get in touch button, actually.
Yeah, it has a different color, I believe, no?
Yeah, it has a different fill color, though. So we would probably have to export it from Figma.
Yeah, bro. So export that shit. Do you want me to? I can export it for you if you want. So
that'd be great. Just because I know you're already on it.
This is so cool. Like you can actually just download SVG like this inside the dev.
I'm loving the dev. I'm loving what Figma's doing.
I'm gonna show you in VS Code. Case showed me the extension for this, and it's so cool.
I think I just added it yesterday. I haven't tried it out yet.
Oh, nice.
I gotta look at that because
so there's an arrow circle right. So arrow circle right, and then we're gonna put this as with the gradient.
Yes. Yeah. And we'd probably put that in the public folder where the others are. I found.
Yeah, let's go see here. Let's go to this one. Where's our public? We actually need to clean up a lot of this stuff to the components because not everything goes into the components folder, guys. You can make this a lot cleaner, actually. So we'll have to do a little bit of cleanup there, for sure. But in the public folder right here, so be a arrow right. We can actually you can just drag that in. Boom, like this.
Nice.
Boom. Right there. So there's our arrow circle, right? So we got that. We just now need to import that, Daniel.
Yeah, I believe we've been using the image component for this. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import the image component at the top of the contact component. It's from NextJS13. It's gonna be. I'm importing it at the very top,
here
right
at
there.
The top. Okay, awesome.
And then all we need to do is, I think we also, do we import the image as well? I forget if we do that. Image, yeah, we do, but we'll get to that right now. So what I'll do is I'll first define where it's going to be, which is going to be right at the submit button. So I'm going to do image. Of course, it's not going to pop up yet because we don't have the access to the image yet, but we'll just set up the structure.
Nice.
Like that. And then I'll go back to the top and actually import the icon.
Oh, Mr. Frank is here? Oh my goodness. He donated $5. Let's go, Frank!
Nice, let's go. Love it, man.
I'm gonna put this guy on the thing. Let's go!
Hey, I remember. Hey, I know Mr. Frank. Like, I know him from, I think I've seen him in a lot of Sony stuff, if I'm not mistaken.
Frank, have you seen...
Like, when I was...
sorry, go ahead. You go ahead, Daniel.
No, you're good. You go ahead, tell me.
No, I was gonna say, Frank, have you seen our 3D portfolio, bro? I don't know if you've seen this, bro, but this looks epic. I don't know if you've seen this or not. But... and it's all 3D too. I'm pretty pumped about it. There's a lot of fixing we still have to do. This is what we got to.
Yeah, but
of course, you notice
we've made a lot of great progress for the last couple of weeks we've worked
on it. Oh, nice. Daniel broke it. Fuck.
It's broken. The true life of a dev right here, guys. Breaking stuff constantly. It's never.
So Frank, if you don't know basically what we're doing here, if you're interested, what we're doing here is we're building this together, just with you guys. Right now, this is kind of a learning opportunity for us and for you. And then, of course, we're basically just building this from scratch. We just got the designs, and we're building this, and then we're gonna create a full-on video, a clean full-on video teaching you how to actually build this. From scratch as well. So right now it's like basically just a learning opportunity. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
That's awesome though. I love seeing that. It's awesome.
What you been up to, Frank, by the way? Let me know down below in the comments. I'm curious. What you been up to? How you been? It's been a long time, man.
It has, yeah. But okay, it's fine now.
Oh,
so that looks.
Daniel fucking killed that thing, but make that flex. You want to make that flex, man.
Yeah, of course. We're not gonna forget about that. Okay, so I'll just add it to the div. It's just gonna be flex.
Nice.
We're gonna save that. There we go. It's already fixed. And then we definitely need to make the icon just a bit smaller because it is a little too large.
Well, no, the icon is the text needs to be bigger, bro. That's not the issue. The text needs to be bigger. So if we look at the text art here, Look at this button, bro. This button is just humongous. So
it's huge. Yeah.
So create a lot of padding. So what you want to do is just create a bunch of padding right now.
What do you think? Like, I know the PX is a little bit bigger than on the top and bottom.
let's look at our portfolio here. So it says here, we can just check it out. So it says padding here is like 10
all around, really? Okay.
Yeah, so 10. Oh, is it really all around?
Is that what it says, or am I looking?
No, it says 10.
Right.
Frank says he's been working on a cool Web3 video streaming project. Oh, that's awesome.
That's awesome.
That's nice, man. Yeah, we're working currently on a new NFT marketplace for a specific industry, which is pretty exciting. Which I can't really say yet, but hopefully at some point we will.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
I'll have to share some more stuff with you on that one for sure.
Okay, let's see.
That's awesome though, bro. Do you have information on it? On your videos? Like, is it out yet, or are you guys still in the building phase, Frank? I'm curious. In the building phase. Boom. All right, where were we at, Daniel?
So I just added some padding, but I feel like it is just a little too. It's not enough, but
no.
I added a gap between some and the.
You want to create a lot more. The gap,
padding,
the gap is not there. Does not have to be huge there, bro. It's small. It's like the gap is like 10 pixels. Yeah.
The 2.5 was 10 pixels, but again, it's like the scaling is kind of different, so I just lowered it a little bit.
Yeah, man. Create a much bigger padding, man.
Oh, yeah, I know, for sure. Okay, so the gap looks better. It's not as big. We just need to definitely create more padding all around. More on the left and right, because I think that maybe the top and bottom is good. Okay, let's do it, though.
Yeah, so let's do that.
Let's see what it looks like.
How is it? Let's see.
Okay, so it's a little bit more, but it still feels like it needs more.
Frank says it's built. That's cool.
Nice.
What's the website, Frank? Dude, what are you doing with the PY35?
It's supposed to be 3, not 35. That's crazy.
I think it's still too small, man. I think you're playing with small numbers. You just gotta go extreme sometimes. You gotta fucking do 16 PYs.
Okay, then let's do 35 then. You're gonna go crazy with it. Let's do 35.
Look at this, bro.
It's centered because of me, so it still looks good. That's a box. That's not even a button anymore. That's not even a button. That's a box.
Dude, there's one thing you can say is you can't miss it. That's for sure.
No, you're not gonna miss that.
Okay. So
nice.
I think so. Look, I honestly think the vertical. Okay, I think they're both huge. so okay.
I think the PX though almost looks good, and it actually looks good, but the PY is
I think
huge.
Let's try to do like 14. PY definitely maybe like 10.
Yeah, let's see.
Dude, that was hilarious, man.
Let's do it.
Oh, what the hell happened there? No, it's still a bit too big.
PY is gonna. You probably drop that like almost like another half.
Another half,
like
maybe
5.
like 8, and then I would say 12.
Yeah. Let's see.
And I think we need to make it more of a circle, by the way, too, Daniel.
Is it more circular?
Yeah, it needs to be more circular too.
Okay, so we could use rounded full.
Did it happen? Did it work or no?
That's circular. Like,
damn, it's still.
It's just the PY doesn't have to be huge. I think the PX is good though. I feel like I don't think we need to touch PX too much.
Okay, so I kind of like it. I think we just need to make we can make it circular more. So we need to create that more of a.
So it's where rounded XL is, and we're gonna change this to. It's on both, so we have to change both.
Yeah, so be a rounded XL or rounded 2XL, let's just say.
You think 2XL? Let's do it then.
Yeah, try 2XL.
Okay,
Okay, let's see. Okay,
really
that's
changed.
looking better. I think more.
Yeah, where's it at? Let me see in the design.
I think it's
it could use a little more.
A little bit more. You see how it's nice, that curvature right there?
Yeah. Let's see. Rounded. Let me do this just to see what classes are available.
What if you do rounded full?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Rounded full, because that's just
try that. Rounded full.
Give it the smoothest edges. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that's a little too round.
I no, I don't like that.
Because I like the kind of the flat edges, like not flat edges, but flat like sides with the smoother corners.
Yeah, no, I feel you. I feel you. So what else? Which? Hold on. So the radius.
Border radius.
I love this song.
Nice.
Let's do. Try to do like 3XL.
Okay, let's do it. And of course, if it's not good enough, we could always use our own custom values. But of course, we don't want to do that.
Yeah.
They have the classes for it. Okay, so looks like a box.
Oh, actually, this is better, no?
That's way better.
Yeah, I like that better.
Way better.
Okay, submit now has to be. Is it submit bold? I believe.
Let's see. It's a gradient.
It's a gradient background and it's bold, bro.
Do you see the background too? You see how it's not a black, it's like a bluish behind the submit text?
Yeah, bro, you got it. You're on the money. So yeah, the background is actually this stupid RGBA, but I want to make it into a hex. Hold on.
Yeah, go for it. Use the color select. It's a great tool.
I'm gonna just do it like this. There it is.
Nice. It's so loud. I can do. It's a really good tool, but holy shit, is that so loud?
Dude, it's so funny, man.
Yeah, you could add it. Yeah.
I think it's just BG.
Boom. Yep. And then, of course, beautiful.
Let's see now. Yeah, there it is.
Nice. That looks good.
Yeah.
We just need to make the text a gradient.
Yeah.
What's great though is I have that one highlight component which already does that for us, so we could just pass the text to it.
Let's do that.
So what we can do is all we do is just wrap the text in it. Okay, where is it? Oh, there it is. It's just hiding. So right here, I'm gonna line break it so it's easier for people to see. So I'm gonna bring it down.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, because I don't like how it just does not line break. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the text. It should auto import as I type it out. Boom, there we go.
Oh, you create a component called highlight. I remember that. That's true.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's
and then
awesome.
It just makes it easier. So I don't have to keep redefining the classes. We could just...
Yeah, makes sense. Let's see now.
Let's see it. There we go.
Let's go. Look at that. Can we make the font size a little bit bigger or no? Or
yeah. We talked about it. We just haven't yet. I think it needs to be a little bit bigger.
Yeah, it says 22 pixels. So
we could add it to the div. Let's see, 22 pixels. What we do? The XL maybe or large? Just depends.
No. What do you? What? No. What do you do? What?
Oh, you want to do it on the highlight component? I don't. The thing is, I don't know if I have. Oh wait, I do.
We did. Remember, bro. We fixed it, bro. Remember, I showed you how to do it.
That's right.
Dude,
okay.
remember,
I forgot about that.
You just don't trust me enough, man. You just don't trust me enough. Do text dash XL.
XL. Okay.
Yeah.
There we go. It's XL. Let's see. That's okay. That's definitely a lot bigger.
Yeah. Text SL. Yeah. Oh, that's so nice, bro.
That is nice.
Yeah.
Right?
So we're not gonna go a little bit. We're not gonna go a lot crazy on adding a bunch of hovers right now. We
don't need that.
We want to make this work pretty much. That's the goal. So let's just do that right now. On click, we need to just send an email, bro.
Yeah. So this is where we're gonna get into more of like the power of React.
By the way, the type you can actually in this type here, you can actually do type email. Actually, I don't know if you know that.
Type. Yeah, you can do email. There's a couple of other ones you can do, like password.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's a couple.
And then what happens is that what you do is on change of this. So we need to actually set this where like this is actually the value of this. So value is equal to
the form data dot whatever the state is. Form data. Yeah.
Data dot what?
I think it's name.
There we go. And then for this one, the value is equal to form data dot what? Email?
Yep, dot email.
And then find the last one's gonna be value is equal to form data, right?
Form data. Yep.
Dot message, right?
Dot message. Yep.
There we go. That message. Awesome.
Okay, cool. So we have the interest here. Also,
so the interest doesn't actually have to be here.
No, not at all.
No, does not. So actually, no. Hold on, not there. Hold on. Sorry. The interest has to be on the email, but it doesn't have to be inside the.
No, not at all.
Data part.
That's true. Okay, good.
Yeah, because that's already in there. And then what happens is that on the change of this, on change.
Yep, exactly.
Of the email.
Yep.
And of course you can do this. We can actually create an object to do this as well to make this a little bit cleaner.
Yes. Yeah.
But it's okay. So, and I believe there's like an event here.
Yeah, exactly. And it's an event
that we can use to set. So we can do set form data.
Yeah.
And then what you can do, which is actually really interesting, is you go like this. So you go here, you do dot form data.
Oh,
comma.
Cool?
Huh?
Also cool is when you use the set state functions, you can actually pass in an arrow function inside the set form data, which contains the state of that piece of state, and you could copy it that way as well.
Oh, really?
Seen that? Yeah,
I have never seen that before. Show me.
But this way is good too. But if I'm not mistaken, we could test this out. I know you can do this, so what I'll do is up in here. So you could pass back an arrow function, do state, which contains the previous state, if I'm not mistaken, and then you could copy that state, and then I think change whatever about. But that's if you want direct access to it without having to do the other way.
I think that's okay. This is okay. I think you go like this, form data.
This works too because it's just spreading it off.
Yeah, and then we can say, what? And then we can say,
this one would be name. It would just be changing the name to
name.
I think
target.
Target, yeah. Target dot value. If I'm not missing. Yeah.
Like that, right?
Exactly, yeah. And we could do a console log to see if this works.
Yeah, let's try that actually.
So we could console log right above the return, and console log form data dot email just to see it populate as you type out, which is really cool.
All right, there we go.
Nice. Let's see if this is working.
Boom. Inspect element on this one. I'm gonna actually put this on the right side here.
Yeah, it's cool sometimes free floating, but sometimes we need to test certain things. It can suck having
console. Oh, there it is. So name, email, message right now is empty.
Yeah.
Hey, my man,
Beautiful.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's reactive.
Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Nice.
Okay,
Same thing for this one, bro.
Yeah, just copy paste, just change the property you're updating.
This one's gonna be .email, correct?
Does it, or is it target value as well? I forget. I feel like.
Oh, my bad. It's fuck.
Because I don't think it changes with the form.
No, I just need to change this to be email.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Oh,
my bad. Huh?
Is it giving you an error?
No.
Oh, okay. Maybe it's just my screen. Okay, we're good then.
It was giving an error initially, but then it was fine. So then we have Oh, it's not email. It's actually reply. Wait.
Yeah, that's why I mentioned it earlier.
Email,
like
message. And then we
because if you send it,
yeah. So
but you could leave it that way.
Yeah, message here. Boom. And so now that should be all good. Now if we test this again, let's try it. So blah blah blah. There's our text. Says your. This is spline tool. Oh, that's
don't worry about that. We'll deal with that later. I think it's fine for now.
Name, then email will be like Daniel.
Nope.
Oh, look at that, Daniel at nazaweb.com.
Yep.
Nice. And then the messages be like blah 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 blah. There we go. Dude, beautiful. That's clean. Dude, it's so clean, man.
I think one other thing, if the submit works, either today or tomorrow, or whenever we get back on live, we can add a simple loading state to the button that loads while the email sends. So
Of course, yeah, 100%. I agree with you on that.
Yeah, but I think as long as it works now, then I think that's a good thing to wrap it up on.
So now we do the on-click button. So on-click, right?
Yeah, on-click, yeah.
And of course, I think we should add validation later on as well, but not today. But we can probably do it later on. So on click,
totally add validation.
You can do send email here. And those of you who don't know, like if you don't have to use the anonymous function if your sent email does not have like parameters, because if you do have parameters, you're gonna put in this, and this right away calls the function as it's being rendered, and that's gonna create a infinite loop. Those of you who don't know that. Versus if you're just passing it like this, you're passing a reference to this function, which later on can be called on the on-click. So that's why if you have an input, you have an anonymous function like so, which says hey, call some function, a reference to the function, and then later on you can just it will call the actual function. Yeah. But if you don't have parameters, just put send email and then you're fine.
Exactly. Yeah.
So just
keeps your code looking a lot cleaner too.
Yeah. So here, for example, we have to send email, and inside here now, instead of doing this, we do instead of Daniel.
Yep.
We say what? Form data, right?
Form data dot name. Yep.
Dot name.
Yep.
Message is gonna be form data.
Yep.
Dot message. Dude, I keep messing up message with massage, bro. Like I keep forgetting how to actually like type it out properly. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm sometimes afraid of like saying message or massage because it's like there's such close,
Yeah.
And then the inches is the active state.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, there we go. Awesome. So, dude, that's pretty much set. Shall we try it now?
Nice. Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Refresh. Okay, guys, let's see the big picture.
Let's do it.
Let's hope it doesn't break. Oh, come on. Code sandbox. Don't break now. Oh, no.
CPU usage is 100%. What is that?
Wait, no, it worked. Oh, my goodness. Dude, code sandbox is gonna. Oh, there we go. Finally.
Nice.
Maybe we just remove code sandbox in general. We just stop using that because it's just being a pain in my ass. Okay, name Nazari. We used Gitpod, right? Is that what it's called? Gitpod?
Like another option.
CodePod.
Like code sandbox.
CodePod. No, not CodePod. What was the thing called?
What? What are you referring to?
Whatever. Never mind. Remember we said that it's like it lives in the thing. You can do. Anyways, Daniel at nazaweb.com.
Yep.
I need some help.
I do.
Ready?
Let's do it.
The public key is required. Visit uncaught.
Oh,
public key. Forgot to do that. Yeah, right here.
At the very end, yeah.
Parameters then public key. Forgot that too.
When you were sending the test emails, I thought it did. Did it show the public key or no?
Nope.
It didn't.
It was not. No.
Oh, so it's somewhere in your. It has to be in your settings.
No, look. See, it doesn't show the public key now.
Weird. Okay.
No. Cancel. So public key, how do we get that? Let's see. We go to email services.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there it is.
Well, there we go. That was pretty easy. There's a public key. So now we go up to back to here, and we specify our public key inside here. Boom.
Yep.
So it's got the template, correct template name. It's got the correct service.
Yeah.
Save that. Makes sense. Okay, submit.
Nice.
Did it submit? I believe. Yeah.
Looks like it did. Is anything popping up in your inbox?
Let's see. Oh, let's go. Damn.
Nice, dude.
Daniel Instant Development. Yo, I need some help.
I'm finally gonna get
help. We can reply directly to Daniel. Oh my goodness.
No way.
Yeah, man. Look at that.
Ew, bro.
Sick, huh?
That is sick.
Yo, let's get on the call.
Dude, let me check my inbox now. It's probably gonna pop up, but
oh, that's awesome, man. That's so
good.
cool. I love it. We crushed it. We crushed it, guys.
Yeah, we did. We did good. We did fucking great.
This was fun.
Yeah, it says, yo, let's get on a call. I got the...
You got it?
Actually
awesome.
got it, yeah.
That's awesome. Dude, the smallest things get developers pumped, man.
I know. It's awesome. There's something about just
that's gonna be a cool
React.
dude. That's gonna be a cool reel. Like, remind me of that reel, which is like a developer enables email messaging, and he like goes nuts when he fucking gets it. You know, that'd be a cool.
That'd be
reel
a fun
to
one.
do.
Yeah, you need to do that.
Yeah, that'd be a fun one.
No.
Anyways, that's it, man. So good stuff. I think for today it was pretty enough.
Oh, we made a lot of progress.
Yeah, we know what email service to use now. Now at this point, guys, it's just so much cleanup and making things, and then we gotta do the footer too. Don't forget that one.
The footer. I'll look into the globe as well, which that should be simple.
And then we got the skills, but I know you're pretty much done with the skills part, right?
Yeah, I'm done with the skills, and it's looking good. It's looking really good. So yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, we're not done with this yet, guys. Like, these builds take a long time to actually perfect.
Yeah, and once you get it down, then it's easy to rebuild that, of course. But.
Insane, huh? How much time this kind of stuff takes, huh, to build?
Yeah, but it's teaching me a lot. It's been teaching.
It's just been fun. It's just been fun, man. That's how we do this. This is fun for us. Hopefully somewhat fun for everybody else.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys have yourselves a great day. And I guess we'll see you. Well, maybe we'll see you tomorrow. Maybe. We'll see.
Okay.
Depends on how much time we have, because we're working on some cool stuff. Ooh! All right. Have a good day, everybody. Peace.
Peace.
Bye.